PolyMem quadrifoam is a unique dressing that absorbs, fills, moistens and cleanses. Apply PolyMem quadrifoam with the printed side facing outwards. Unlike any other dressing, PolyMem quadrifoam is made up of 5 key components: hydrophilic polyurethane foam, a super-absorbent starch copolymer, F68 surfactant, a non-toxic wound cleanser, glycerin, which acts as a moisturizer, and a semi-permeable thin film backing. The super-absorbent starch copolymer absorbs and binds the water molecules from the wound fluid, allowing the natural growth factors and nutrients to concentrate in the wound bed. The F68 surfactant is activated by moisture and is gradually released from the foam matrix. F68 has been shown to improve capillary blood flow and reduce edema and tissue inflammation. PolyMem quadrifoam contains glycerin, which reduces pain and prevents the dressing adhering to the wound. The MVTR of PolyMem quadrifoam self-adjusts based on the exudate level of the wound to maintain a constant moist wound environment. The dressing's built-in cleansing capabilities minimize the need for manual wound bed cleansing, which could be harmful to newly formed tissue.